This tutorial is designed to teach you how to manage your storage bin inside of GCSS Army. Before we get into the lesson, there are some key points that need to be discussed. The first key point is that the storage bin column allows you to add a location of where non-expendable, durable, and expendable items are stored outside of the system. The second key point is that this function can be beneficial because it allows inventories to go smoother because the person conducting the inventory knows exactly where the equipment will be located. The third key point is that GCSS Army is driven by transaction codes. This is different from PBIS. The transaction code display mat sit is used to update the location of items in the storage bin column. From the unit supply menu, we're going to select the property management process. And then we're going to select the transaction code display mat sit. And there's two views in display mat sit. We're selecting the materials management view. That view is used for sub-hand receipts or storage location. The top view, which is the organizational flexibility view, that view is how you access the primary hand receipt, inbound hand receipts, or outbound hand receipts. So in the plant section, we're going to type in 2000. And then in the storage location field, we're going to type in the sub-hand receipt number we want to access. And then we're going to select execute. So we're coming in here to name where items are located. In this example, we're going to select the toolkit and then right click with our mouse and select Update Material Storage Bin. In the storage bin section, we're going to name where this toolkit is located at outside of GCSS Army. So in this example, we're saying this was located in the first cabinet or cabinet 01. And then we're going to select execute. Hit the green back button, hit the back button again, and then we're going to hit the refresh key. If you look in the storage bin column, you can see the name has changed from not having one to cabinet 01. Now we're going to select another item. We're going to select this Humvee, right click with our mouse, update material storage bin, and then we're going to name where this Humvee is located at. In this example, we're going to say this item is located in the motor pool. Select execute. As you can see, it changed from not having a name to being located into the motor pool. We're going to hit the green back button, select the back button again, and then hit the refresh key. As you can see, the motor pool populated in the storage bin column. Now we're going to come down and right click anywhere in here, and we're going to print this into a spreadsheet. Right click, select the spreadsheet option. Now this item is going to export into spreadsheet for us, but we're going to save it. Going to change the file name. Going to name it after the sub-hand receipt. And select save. And as you can see, it's transferring. So we just exported that screen into Excel format. So this screen can be helpful, or this spreadsheet can be helpful. So when the inventories come around, whether you do the monthly or quarterly, you can provide this spreadsheet to the person conducting that inventory, whether it's the commander doing the cyclic or whoever's designated to do the sensitive items for that month. You can give them this spreadsheet along with the count or inventory sheets, so that way they know where this equipment is located at when it's time for the inventories. I'm going to scroll this back over to the left, and I hope you found this video tutorial to be helpful.